Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today, we're diving into the breathtaking world of the Ferrari SF90 Stradale, Ferrari's groundbreaking plug-in hybrid supercar that redefines what it means to combine electrification with raw power. Is this the future of performance? Let's find out. Let's start with the design. The SF90 is unmistakably Ferrari, blending elegance and aggression in perfect harmony. The front end is sharper than ever, with redesigned air intakes for optimized aerodynamics. The car's active rear spoiler, carbon fiber accents, and quad exhaust tips scream performance. And those forged alloy wheels, pure art in motion. It's not just about beauty, every curve and crease on this car serves a purpose, with Ferrari pushing the boundaries of airflow and downforce. Under the hood, or should I say, behind the seats, lies the heart of the beast, a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 paired with 3 electric motors. Together, they produce a jaw-dropping 1,000 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 1,000 horses in a hybrid. The SF90 isn't just fast, it's blisteringly fast. It goes from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.3 seconds, with a top speed of 211 miles per hour. And thanks to Ferrari's advanced all-wheel drive system, the power delivery is seamless. But here's the twist: switch to e-drive mode, and the SF90 becomes a silent, all-electric supercar with a range of up to 16 miles. It's a glimpse into Ferrari's electrified future. Step inside, and you're greeted by Ferrari's most high-tech interior yet. The 16-inch curved digital display serves as the command center, while touch-sensitive controls on the steering wheel give it a futuristic vibe. And let's not forget the luxurious leather, carbon fiber trims, and impeccable attention to detail. The cockpit is driver-focused, with everything designed to keep you connected to the car at all times. And the new head-up display ensures your eyes stay on the road where they belong. The SF90 isn't just about straight-line speed. Ferrari's chassis control systems, including electric side slip control, make it an absolute weapon in the corners. It feels planted, precise, and incredibly engaging. It's hard to believe this car weighs over 3,800 pounds, thanks to the added hybrid components. But Ferrari has worked its magic to make it feel light and responsive. And then there's the sound. The symphony of the twin-turbo V8 combined with the eerie silence of the electric motors is something truly unique. It's a blend of the past and the future. Of course, the SF90 comes at a price starting at around $550,000. But for that, you're getting cutting-edge technology, jaw-dropping performance, and the Ferrari badge. Competitors like the McLaren Artura and Porsche 918 Spider have their strengths, but the SF90 is in a league of its own. The Ferrari SF90 isn't just a supercar, it's a statement. It proves that electrification and high performance can coexist without compromise. Is it the ultimate Ferrari? That's for you to decide. But one thing's for sure, it's a masterpiece of engineering and design. Thanks for tuning in to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more epic car reviews. Until next time, drive safe and dream big.